This is a way for students to track their iReady reading diagnostic results, and you could totally change this for math or maybe even another assessment. So, what students are going to do is they're going to fill out this first page where they are going to complete this for each of the different diagnostics, and they're going to write the date in here, their overall score, their domains. Vote are kind of down here, and so they'll just kind of fill out each of those individual scores. Then they're going to talk about their strengths and ways that they can improve. And this is for diagnostic one, and this one is for number two. And then after the students do that, they're going to create two goals that they're going to focus on to work on and try to improve. So, again, this first page is just kind of for students to reflect on their diagnostic, and maybe you can complete a data chat with your students. Then on this page, what students are going to do is they're going to have each of the different domains, and they are going to color using the paint bucket up here how they're doing on each of those domains. So maybe for the first diagnostic, I might do blue, and then students are able to see their growth and how close they are to meeting that target level. So for example, fifth grade is right here. Just know that we did it by counting by 20s. And so right here, you will have to kind of teach your students that, okay, it might not be 180, but 181 is very close. And then students, again, they're able to kind of track here and they're able to see their score and how much growth they've made in a year. And they're able to type their scores right here so we know exactly what the score was. Again, they're going to kind of estimate and round for their scores. And again, that is per domain. Then the final page is for students to track their lesson and their growth. So students will put the date and they can double click and the date will pop up. They type the lesson name and then they just color code in how they scored on that lesson. And then they can do a quick reflection what they learned or what they wonder. And then again, you're able to check in with your students, see their progress, have them go back and redo something if you need them to, or have that conversation with them. So, what a great way to kind of track those lessons with your students to create owners of their learning.